Hello Leeb Group viewers, welcome to Leeb.com, Leeb.com. Make sure you visit the site, sign up for a free email. We have got a fantastic stock report that we will hand you all about silver. If you sign up for it, we'll send it to you for free right away. Emerging markets are not famous for their political or financial stability. In fact, that many investors tend to forget when things go well. Indeed, the outsized gains seen in many emerging markets in the past few weeks have encouraged many investors to engage them without accurately considering the risk inherent in nations whose financial markets are fragmented, illiquidated, and subject to governments' interference across the board. Yet emerging markets are increasingly crucial for both global businesses. American companies generating over half their sales overseas will grow revenue 4% faster than those who don't, according to Thomson Reuters. The problems come with good returns cause investors to throw caution to the wind. We are often amazed at how much baggage can be overlooked if the alpha, i.e. example, return over a particular benchmark like the S&P is there. Indeed, since they were first described in the 1970s, emerging markets have periodically been investors lulled into complacency by periods of stable returns. From the perspective of recent events in Egypt, remind us of the Las Vegas entertainer who was badly mauled a few years ago by his pet tiger. The animal had been docile for years, but was obviously still able to bite someone back with very little warning. It was docile as a house cat right up until it decided to rip the entertainer's head off. When things like this happen in emerging markets, they do so extremely quickly, and investors are thus usually taken by surprise. Most often than not, sell-offs ensue, but it's important to look at the depth of the event and the true threat to the market it represents. In Egypt's case, the current turmoil is of great interest to global investors because it's both an oil-producing nation, albeit a small one, and it does control the Suez Canal, through which over 1 million barrels per day of oil flow. In our view, only the most pessimistic scenario for Egypt involves any real threat to either one, and the market tends to agree. So while emerging markets offer better growth opportunities, it's still very important to pick and choose what countries to invest in. Thanks for dropping by, and we'll see you tomorrow.